Hello friends, so today we are going to learn how we can set a permission or a rule to start applications automatically whenever we start the Windows machine or any Windows OS. So for that there is a very simple step. So we have to just press Windows plus R button simultaneously. Then this run box will open, and here we have to start. We have to type shell shell colon startup, hit enter. Then you will see this file explorer will come. Then here we have to add the shortcut of the application which you want to open whenever Windows gets start. So I just wanted to add the Google Chrome. So Google Chrome shortcut is already created here, so I just drag and drop this shortcut here. So whenever I start my restart or I start my Windows machine, the Google Chrome will automatically open when the necessary files gets open, okay, without any effort. So this is the video for how we can start the Windows machine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe for such a more content. Thank you so much. Bye.